Uno Minecraft. How to play. This game plays the same as regular Uno except for these changes. For a refresher of the rules, check out this video. The new rules are as follows. Each type of card is themed with a different image. When you draw a Creeper TNT card, you must immediately show it to all the other players. You then draw 3 additional cards from the deck and add them to your hand. If any of these cards are a Creeper, then you do not reveal them. The Creeper card is also a wild card. You may play a Creeper on any card in the discard pile and pick the color that the next card played must follow. If the Creeper is the first card flipped at the beginning of the game, then the player to the left of the dealer may play any color on it. At the end of the game, each Creeper left in an opponent's hand is worth 50 points.